Hey, it's Matt from Black Hole Woodworking. Just finishing up sanding the bottom of this vase. Let's see how I made it.
This is a piece of high quality firewood that I'm flattening the ends on. Once I've got this attached to the lathe, it's time to turn it around. Get rid of that little nub that's sticking out so it's a little easier to go all the way down the piece of wood. I'm using a 1/2 inch spindle gouge. This is going to be a short project, but it's kind of fun. When I'm roughing this thing round, I usually get some lines because I go pretty quick. At the end, I make some finer passes to get that mighty smooth. To take care of the end, I'm using my skew and just cutting that flat. Really what it does for me is make a really nice smooth surface because it's all end grain coming out the back. On the top, I'm using my 1/2 inch spindle gouge again. This time I'm forming the top with it. I'm cutting into the side grain, but it's really the end grain coming out the top, so I'm trying to make this a nice smooth cut because I want to do less sanding. In my own experience here, I found that if I take my time to make these cuts right the first time, I spend a lot less time trying to fight with the wood. It usually also means I get better shavings and it's just fun. For finish, I'm using a kind of a shine juice. This isn't quite your typical shine juice, but it's pretty close. So you can see when I'm putting it on band by band where it's becoming shinier and shinier. Alright, other than sanding the bottom and drilling the hole in the top, that's it. Thanks for watching.